Social Security Disability Insurance, or SSDI, provides financial support if you are unable to work due to a severe medical impairment. To qualify for SSDI benefits, you need a documented medical impairment that prevents you from doing substantial work for at least 12 months. My name is Kaitlin Wildoner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. In today's video, we're going to talk about a crucial topic for those over age 55 dealing with physical disabilities. If you're 55 or older, the process for SSDI benefits might be a little bit easier due to some special rules. For individuals over age 55, physical disabilities like joint pain, spinal issues, or post-surgery limitations can make work feel impossible. But the Social Security Administration needs detailed medical evidence to approve a claim for SSDI benefits. Therefore, to help, you want to collect all of your medical records, including x-rays, MRIs, doctor's notes, and physical therapy reports that can confirm your diagnosis and your limitations. Work with your doctor to get a clear statement from them about your functional limitations, like how much you can lift, how long you can stand, or if you need a cane or a walker to get around. For example, if you have arthritis that stops you from gripping tools, make sure that's documented in the medical records. Submitting thorough evidence up front can show the Social Security Administration why your physical disability qualifies for benefits. Next, review the Social Security Administration's Blue Book of Listings, which lists out medical conditions that qualify for SSDI benefits. The Blue Book outlines specific criteria for physical disabilities like heart failure or spinal disorders. And if you have chronic heart disease, for example, the Blue Book might require proof of reduced heart function in the medical records. If your condition matches a listing, approval is a little bit more likely. For those 55 and older, the Social Security Administration's grid rules also come into play. These rules recognize that older workers may struggle to switch careers, so even if your condition isn't in that Blue Book of Listings, your age and work history could tip the scales in your favor. Step 3 is all about completing your Social Security application. You can apply online, by phone, or in person, all directly with the Social Security Administration. Be thorough when describing how your physical disability affects your daily life and work. For example, if you have a bad back, explain that you can't stand for long, lift heavy objects, or even sit at a desk for hours. In the supplemental questionnaires that the agency will send, don't just list your diagnosis, but focus on your limitations. If the process feels overwhelming, consider hiring a disability attorney. They know the language that the Social Security Administration uses and may be able to help you avoid common mistakes that lead to denials. Finally, be ready for the appeals process because unfortunately, the majority of initial SSDI applications are denied. If your application is rejected, you can request reconsideration within 60 days of the denial date. If the request for reconsideration is also denied, you can move to a hearing before an administrative law judge where your chances of approval may be higher. During the appeals process, you can strengthen your case with new evidence like updated medical records or even records from a vocational rehabilitation on why you cannot work. Be patient. This process can take months and even years, but persistence can pay off. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.